Hi, my name is Jérôme Petazzoni and I'm pretty excited to be part of the jury in this Breakathon organized by Scaleway. Who am I exactly? Well, I started my career in France, working sometimes in dev, sometimes in ops, but always for open source and infrastructure companies. Fun fact, at that time I worked in more than 15 data centers, and then I moved to California to join a tiny startup called .cloud. I don't know if you've heard of .cloud, but in 2013 we launched a thing called Docker. I guess you've heard of that one. I spent 7 years at Docker, and in 2018 I left, and since then I delivered Docker and Kubernetes training, workshops and consulting services. I like working in the infrastructure field, and I've always been a huge supporter of the open source movement, so working with Kubernetes felt pretty natural to me. I'm glad to be here today because I've worked with many managed Kubernetes clusters from Amazon and Google before, and I'm really impressed by what Scaleway has done with Kapsule, and I'm eager to see how you're going to use it. Also, it's pretty cool when someone tells you, hey, come and play with my products and let's see if anything breaks. I'm sure that some of you will manage to break a few things, and that's part of the game. I'm going to give you 2 pieces of advice for the competition. The first one, don't hesitate to ask for help, for instance, in the Discord server. The second one, and that one will be useful beyond this competition, when you run into a bug, the best way to get help is to describe it like this. When I do this thing, when I run this command with these arguments and files, I expect that thing to happen, but instead I see this other thing. I believe that all good bug reports have this structure, in 3 parts. I do this, I expect this, I see that instead. Anyway, I can't wait to see what you're gonna do. I will see you at the end of the event, and until then, good luck. Oh yeah, one more thing, are you boss level?
Hey, I'm Nigel Poulton. I am the author of the Kubernetes book, Quick Start Kubernetes, and a bunch of Kubernetes training videos. So I am super excited to be a part of this Breakathon. I fell in love with containers and all this kind of cool technology right back in the early days of Docker, when I really felt like Docker and containers and then Kubernetes was like VMware taken to the next level. So I've been involved for ages and I love this stuff. It's great technology. About the Breakathon, I mean, how cool is it to join up with a team to get to break containers and Kubernetes stuff and fix it for fun and as part of a team? So that's super cool. Anyway, look, as part of the Breakathon, make sure you get yourself on the Discord channel, ask for advice if you need it, check the documentation, and most important, just have some fun. So I'm looking forward to seeing what everybody does on the Breakathon, what all of your great ideas are to fix and break things, and also to be part of judging it. So good luck. And one last question, actually. Are you boss level?
Hello everyone, I am Emmanuelle Demompion, Product Manager here at Scaleway on the Kubernetes Kapsule product, which you are going to play with today. I will also be a member of your jury, so I'll be watching you very, very closely. For those who don't know me, before switching to the dark side of the force and becoming a product manager a few years back, I was a developer, mostly on data-related softwares. Well, I think now I'm supposed to tell you how I fell in love with Kubernetes. But really, the truth is that I didn't at all. And I really discovered it and started digging into it when I arrived at Scaleway almost 2 years ago. And well, I fell, that's for sure. But I think I did fall in love, not with Kubernetes itself, but with the most exhausting, exasperating, the craziest, but also the most adorable and touching team I have ever worked with. So I would say that I did fall in love with the Kubernetes Kapsule team. I think it's way better now. Anyway, I have to say that I'm completely exhausted, and I think that I can try to record that video 1,000 times. I will still look exhausted, but that's fine. I will sleep on Friday, don't worry. But we've been planning this event for so long. It's been a lot of work, and it feels almost unreal that we are finally here today and that it's finally happening. So I'm very excited about it, and I'm thrilled to see what you are going to do on the challenges that we prepared for you. If I have to give you one piece of advice for the Breakathon, it would be that even if you are attracted to some of the challenges, I would recommend to have an overview, have a look at everything, and see if there is something that you can start with and then reuse in other challenges. It would save you a lot of time, and it would allow you to, submit more challenges, I hope. So be smart, be creative, have fun, and I'll see you a bit later, I guess. So yeah, see you. Are you boss lover?